Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to make something on Tinkercad. And this thing happens to be a top. And I've already made two prototypes right here, or actual things. But I'm going to walk you through this. Alright, so I'm going to go into, this might take a second. Alright, let me move these out the way, I'm sorry. It's being a little laggy. Alright, so first, for making a top, you're going to want a cone. You can get that from your basic shapes. And then, to make it upside down, like these right here, then you're going to want to turn this by 180 degrees with the button. Hold on. Let me show you. This button right here, this little arrow thing. You can change this thing by 90 and all that good stuff. But for this, you're not going to need to. So I'm going to make this, how about 50 by 50? Why not? Now, since these are millimeters, so 50 millimeters, hold on, let me get a meter measurement. How to say this? Meter converter. See if it does. So 1 millimeter, hold on, 50, and then that is, let's just say inches. So that's actually 1.9 inch. So, I mean, yeah, basically 2 inches, like my friend over here said. So, you don't feel afraid to make it as big as you want. And if you want it to be inches, you can just edit your grid right here and say inches, you know, and then update grid. And then now, this is here, let's just put 2 inches by 2 inches. It's a little bit more simple. Okay. So now I'm going to get a cylinder. And because this is so big, I'm going to have to size it down with these. I'm going to make it about a 1/16. Or, you know what? No, yeah, we're going to have to do that. I think that's okay. Yeah. Alright, so then, you're going to want to use this thing. Pick it up. But first, I kind of want to see how tall it is already, so let's just go ahead and make this 1 inch, just to make sure that we don't mess up at all. And then, so therefore, this should be 1 inch off the ground. There we go. And then, so first, we're gonna, and then, I like Tinkercad because of this a lot. It's because you can left click and then drag, and you take these both, and you see this align button up here. You're gonna press this or press L. You press it, and then press this right here to make it centered, and this right here to make it really centered. And therefore, we have the most centered thing we can get. So that's very centered. So there we have a top, and if we want to change the colors, oh yeah, but we're gonna have to group this first, actually, and then we're gonna have to press multicolor to make it have this orange and purple. But if you want to make one your certain color, you're gonna have to want it real quick. Hold on, and, you know, click the item that you want a different color. Go to your things. You can make a custom if you want, but I don't really think we need to for this demonstration. I'll make this green and this orange. So, and then to make it go again, just group. And then, as you can see, this turned orange, so we're going to have to go here and press multicolor. And there we go, we have our thing. So, check out Tinkercad. It's really good software for making 3D shapes, and it takes your 2D drawings and put them to life in 3D. And their motto is, flat is boring, and I agree, so check it out. Hope you all enjoyed the demonstration for the walkthrough. Alright, bye.